New HYPERH SHREDDER 700 transforms large quantities of cardboard into eco-friendly packaging. Converts cardboard into a flexible and cushioning net. Reduces disposal costs of waste and packaging materials. Processes up to 15 cubic meters of cardboard per hour. Trolley with wheels, with wheel parking brake. Wide and practical cardboard entry. Powerful 7 HP 3-phase motor. Long-lasting special steel blades. Blade inspection window. 2-position on-off switch. Reversible rotation direction. Emergency stop button. Powerful suction system with HEPA filter. No dust in the air or packaging. Clean cardboard mesh. The trimming system allows insertion of cardboard of any size. The flexible cardboard mesh protects your packaging even from heavy impacts. Suitable for all types of packaging. Compliant with all international safety standards. HYPERH SHREDDER. Turn waste into profit. Join the circular economy.